I'm Steve from the All Electric family. Today we got sent in the mail an electric scooter. Yeah, we're very excited about this. We've never had an electric scooter. So Turboant sent us this electric scooter. It's an x7pro and it runs off of a 36 volt system, has a 10 amp hour battery, supposed to go 30 miles of range and go up to 20 miles per hour. So we're very excited about testing this out. Today we're going to put it together, and then in 2 weeks we're actually going to give you a rundown of everything, how it all turned out, and give you a review. So Oliver is going to help us put it together today. Alright, so let's get to putting it together.
We have some scissors here. Help us cut it open. That would be really hard to use our hands.
Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah, it's coming out. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a fold-up scooter.
No way.
Yeah.
Got a little kickstand here.
Yeah, so it doesn't fall down. This is the charger. Now I don't know what this is. This is
That's part of the charger.
This is part of the charger.
Alright, so that was super easy. Basically, you just had to pull the stem up, put the Allen wrench in there, and then turn these handles. Make sure and put the brake on first before you put the left side handle on. And yeah, then you're good to go. Just tighten the Allen, tighten it with an Allen wrench here, and then also on the brake pedal. So anyways, we'll see you in a couple weeks, give you a full review of this and let you know how it does. See you then.